tell me. Ready? All right, so while we're here, we're going to go ahead and put one nail in here to get this thing all lined up. I'm going to go ahead and get one nail to get that side started there. Now, I've got that going there, and it's about pretty square. I'm going to check it. Trusty dusty square here. So line it up. Make sure we get it all nice, square, beautiful, happy. Looking good right there. So we get this side here. This is my way of doing it. I'm sure there's multiple ways to do it. More than one way to skin a cat, you know what I mean. In case you're into skin cats. But all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other side. Same thing again. Make sure the groove is up with that one. Make sure it's up with this one. And that is like so, or like this. Like so, and like so. So make sure we have the grooves on both sides. Handles are up on both sides. See, almost okey-doked myself there. So we've got the handle up on that side, handle up. All right, that's how it's all going to go together. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I'm going to get it like this. Go ahead and just get it started a little bit. And again, I'm going to go in here. I still want to double check, make sure this handle's together. Okay, so again, we're going to do the little dot on each spot right here. Tongue, dot, 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 dot. All right. And same thing again. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. That just works out perfectly. Look at that. Like butter. So again, same thing here. We're going to go ahead and give it a couple little love taps with the rawhide mallet, not the hammer. Go ahead and get that together like that. That together like that. I like where it's at. Grab us another 6D nail. Grab us another one here. Get you one started. Again. Beautiful. That's the way I like to go ahead and get it done. Now, you're going to check it with the square again. Make sure everything's kind of squared up and looking good. Beautiful. Nice and square. Love it. Now, at this point, I also say this. A good thing to do is go ahead to keep the glue off of your blue jeans, like I just happen to get a little bit of mine. If you go ahead and take you a wet rag and go ahead and wipe off any of the excess glue, it'll keep it from getting it all over you, and also be less for you to have to worry about getting on the hammerhead and just making a what-for mess. So we got that side started, got that side started. We have to make sure that the rails are opposing sides that we have there. Now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to pick this up. I'm going to turn this one like this. I'm going to turn this like this. And we're going to give a little bit of glue on the opposite faces again. Whatever. Alright, so again, do this right here. Gonna get it assembled. Bring it on together like that there. And I'm going to loosely do that one for the second because I want to get the glue on the other ones over here too. So, I'll lift this up here. Again, same thing. Little love, little love, little love, little love, little love, little love. All right, everything's got a little bit of love. Put that off to the side. Now we're gonna give it a little bit of happiness taps. Again, it's the way to go. Rawhide, way to go. All right, make sure you don't have any glue on the top of your hammerhead there. All right, so we got that one in. Go ahead and place this one in down here. Get it started. Happiness. Happiness. All right, got a little extra glue right here. Wipe that up, wipe that up. All right, now we're gonna work it, and I kind of like, I don't know how many of y'all are tire changers out there, but I like to think of it, it's kind of like changing a tire. So what I'm gonna do is put a couple nails in on each side here, then I'm gonna work it around adjacently, going around each corner, making sure I've wiped off any excess glue. Don't get on my hands, on my clothes, on my hammer. So, remember, 60 nails. Make sure everything's flush, tight. Go ahead and check our square one more time. Look at that. Man. I could tell you I did a few of these boxes already just to make sure I look like I knew what I was doing there. All right, so we're going to go through here. Bam. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple in here. Feel good about it. I will say this, you know, I love Sweet Mountain Honey Company, great people to work with. Love work with them, good people. But directions for this were a little on the vague side, if you know what I mean. And so a little bit of what for, a little bit of thinking. This is what I came up with, and it's really worked really well for me. So, as you're working your way around, make sure, check your levels, make sure everything's level, and work it around with some more nails. Fix that this side done. Pick that up. And always make sure you're working on a nice soft surface down here underneath you, not concrete or anything like that, because it really mar up the wood. As you see, I'm hammering them down on the wood, and I sweat really good here, so not to mar up the wood when we go to paint this. Which I mentioned we already bought the paint. It's a beautiful color, blue. My son Ryan, who's actually running the camera today, is not fond of the blue. There he is, shaky. He's not very fond of the blue color, but we have multiple boxes, so I'm going to let him paint them whatever color he wants to paint one. Let me use that, man. Sitting there talking, trying to multitask. Check my level. But I'm going to have my niece paint a couple of these boxes. They say the bees really don't care. Really don't. Hello. Nice and square. Say bees really don't care. They say down here in the South, recommend not painting them. Ow! I'm just kidding. They say don't paint them black or a dark color. Heat and all that makes sense. I understand that. So stick with a nice light color. Get creative with it. Get crazy. Do it. Have fun with it. Get your youngsters into beekeeping. Get them to paint some of them up. Take them to some craft shows. Get them to do the work for you. Something. Alright, so just about to finish this bad boy up right here. Last nail in here. We are having some bee box fun. Alright. Last but not least, we are going to finish putting these nails in here, and we're going to have us a good old-fashioned built bee box. This is actually one of the smaller ones. Speaking of, look at that, beautiful. Make sure you don't use a tall box piece with a small box. That's pretty self-explanatory. Count the number of fingers on the dovetail edges. Good quality material from Sweet Mountain Honey Company, Tacoma, Georgia. Good friends of mine. Thinking about going up there and giving them a visit this week. They are super busy. It is bee season. Again, we're going to do a little checky. Make sure we're still in square, beautiful, happy. We're going to finish this on up. When I get up there, me and Chris are going to have a little sit down talking to about maybe coming up with some better directions, or maybe even using this video as a how-to build a bee box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all but the last side to go. Dun, 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 dun. You didn't see me do the shortcut. Didn't see the shortcut. 2 for 1. Watch me now. Didn't drop that. You didn't see me drop those either. Alright, so one last side to go. Everything's looking pretty old square. We're gonna, like I said, we'll double check it. You can always give a little love squeeze here and there, but that side right there, let it go. I am dropping nails like, I don't know, like I'm dropping nails. In. Y'all want to see that 2 for 1 again? 2 for 1. Alright. Mad skills. Mad skills. Alright. Now, double check. Make sure all your sides have nails in them. Make sure all your sides are nice and square. Make sure everything's happy. Like I said, before this glue dries, everything, if you need to give it a little love here and there, make it happen, do it. Time to do it now. Alright, make sure rails are up, handles are all on the outside, and now we have another box to go on top of here. And that's how you build a bee box woody style. Thank y'all for watching.